Yeah, it is. Hey, everybody. We've got Miriam and Chris here. Today's our first day of the 7-day Keto Chow challenge that two crazy ketos wanted to do. Yeah. So we're doing that. It's not bad. We've done a lot longer than 7 days, so this is easy peasy. Although I did stop myself from grabbing a handful of macadamia nuts.
I finally just closed them and put them away somewhere else. I keep walking past.
You're like, ooh, macadamia nuts. But hey, Miriam got her new computer set up.
I got my screen up there.
Nice. I put the arm with the two monitors.
I sat there for the first time.
Yeah.
Just a minute ago, and I'm fixing a couple things before we do payroll, because that's important.
Because we're here at the new warehouse.
Yeah.
So
it's a huge mess because we're literally unpacking and still putting together chairs and desks. And there's you.
There's me. And I should probably move that.
Apparently somebody is.
That's the doorbell thing. Well, the door open thing.
Well, it's nice to know though.
Yeah. Well, it was when I was the only one here for the last couple days. So, anyway, yeah, they won. They won. What do you got that you're drinking?
I am drinking pina colada.
Right. So it was made with coconut oil.
Yes, coconut oil is the fat, and then the pineapple
juice flavor. And I tasted it, and the coconut oil didn't mix up as well as I wanted to, just because I just used the shaker bottle to mix it. I didn't mix it with an immersion blender.
But I just pretended it was coconut flakes.
Oh, there you go. Okay.
I'm like, a little bit of coconut. Oh, it's delicious.
And I had vanilla Keto Chow with key lime flavoring in it. So
that was good?
Yeah, it was pretty good.
For lunch, I have mint.
Oh, nice.
I might need to go help the kids, though.
I don't remember what I have for
lunch.
Yeah.
Something. Apple?
I think
Did you eat the apple? There's an apple.
I think it is apple. There's a lot of motion in our garage. The kids are going in and out. Anyway. Yeah. All right. Catch you later.